Hi friends, it's me, Silly Miss Lily, and Cotton Socks, and I'm so excited to play with you today. Oh look, we have so many vehicles. I have an airplane, whoosh, whoosh, ambulance, a motorcycle, vroom, and even a fire truck. Look at this fire truck. It's got a big ladder. Whew, whew, whew. Oh, and look at this. We've got a little vehicles puzzle. But looks like all of the pieces are gone. Oh no! Well, that's all right. Hey, will you help us find the pieces? I think it'll be really fun, and maybe our vehicle toys can help us as well. Come on, let's find the puzzle pieces together. Oh no, look at our puzzle. We're missing all the pieces. Let's see if we can find them together. Oh wow, I see some fire truck toys. Oh, that's right, Con. Let's take a look. Here's 1, 2, and even 3 fire trucks. Oh wow, and look at this fire truck. It's got a ladder that extends. A fire truck helps put out fires and helps keep people safe. Let's put out this fire. We did it! Great job, fire trucks! Oh, and look, here's a little fire hydrant where firefighters connect their hose to get some water. And here comes the big fire truck. Ooh, big fire truck! Oh, wow! We've got a big ladder. Big ladder. Looks like in here are some tools. A hose and shovels, fire extinguisher, and even an axe. Hey, I see a door. Let's open it. Oh, look! We've got our fire truck puzzle piece. We found it. Let's put it in. All right, we found the fire truck. Let's see where it goes. Here it is. A fire truck helps put out fires and keeps people safe. Oh, look, I see a train. Oh, that's right. Here comes the train. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Oh, look, I see yellow wheels, red wheels, blue wheels. And look, what's that? Oh, wow, we found our train piece. Let's put it in our puzzle. And here's our train piece. Let's find where it goes. A train rides on tracks and carries people and things. Here it is. Oh, wow, look at these cars. Oh, wait, cars, please stop. Thanks for stopping, cars. Oh, and look at these. I see a red car, orange car, yellow car, green car, and even a blue car. Wow, these cars look so great. I want to go on the track. Sure, go ahead, little car. Oh, look. Oh, look what we found. It's our puzzle piece of a car. Let's put it in. And here's our car piece. A car drives on roads and takes us places. Let's find its spot. Here it is. Thank you. Oh, wow, look at these motorcycles. You're so right, Cotton. Here's a yellow and blue one, a little one with a blue and a white stripe, and a really cool black motorcycle with a rider who's wearing a helmet and some really cool wheels that are glowing. Oh, wow. Oh, look, looks like the black motorcycle is trying to tell us something. It's driving off. Drive safe. Oh, and what's this? Looks like a puzzle piece was hiding behind. We found another puzzle piece of a motorcycle for our puzzle. Yay, let's put it in. Good luck finding the rest of your pieces, friends. Here's our motorcycle piece. A motorcycle is a small vehicle that goes zoom on the road. Let's see where it goes. There it is. Great job. Oh, wow, look at these airplanes. Oh, you're right, Cotton. Look, there's 1, 2, 3 airplanes. Oh, wow. Whoosh, whoosh flies the airplane. This one's blue on top and red on the bottom. Whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh comes this little airplane. This one's red on top, blue on the bottom. It has a little propeller that spins, spin, spin propeller. Whoosh, whoosh comes the big airplane. Hi, big airplane. Whoosh, whoosh, are you looking for puzzle pieces? Yeah, airplane, we are. Open me up. Let's open it. Oh, wow, look at this. We found another puzzle piece of an airplane. Let's put it in our puzzle. Whoosh, thanks, big airplane. Good luck with the rest of your puzzle. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And here's our airplane piece. An airplane flies high in the sky to go far away. Let's find its spot. Fly, fly, airplane. We'll help you find it. Right here, top left corner. Great job. Oh, wow. Look at these different doctor tools and an ambulance. What do all these tools do? Oh, great question, Cot. Here's a thermometer to check your temperature. Let's check. It's green, you're healthy. Here's an otoscope to check your ears. Let's look, look, look. Let's hold still, Cotton. Your ears look great. Here's a syringe in case you need any medicine. Boop. Just one shot and it's done. And here is a stethoscope where you can listen to someone's heartbeat. I'll put it on. Let me listen to your heartbeat, Cotton. Boom, 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 boom. You sound so nice and healthy. Great job taking care of your body. Oh, wow, and an ambulance. That's right. Hey there, ambulance. Ooh. Whoa, this ambulance is red and so cool. Here goes the ambulance. Oh, wow, ambulance! It's showing us the puzzle piece. We found our next puzzle piece of an ambulance. Let's put it in. Thank you, ambulance. Woo! Oh, and here's our ambulance. An ambulance helps take people to the doctor when they need help. Let's find your spot. Here it is, ambulance. Helicopters. Oh yeah, Cotton. This one has so many different colors on it. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. It's got all the colors of the rainbow. And how about this one? Look at this red helicopter. Ooh, and it's got rotor blades on top. Spin, rotor blades, spin. Oh, the helicopter's showing us something. Look at this. We found our next puzzle piece. And it's of a helicopter. Let's put it in. Thanks, helicopters. Oh, wow, and here's our helicopter. A helicopter flies and can land in small places. Here's your spot, top right corner. Look at all these sea creatures. Oh, you're right, Cotton. You think we'll find a puzzle piece here? Let's take a look. I see a seahorse. Hi, seahorse. Oh, and you know what this is? This is a hammerhead shark. Their heads look like a hammer. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Hammerhead shark. Ooh, here comes a blue shark. Hey there, blue shark. And this is a lobster. Got pinchers. Hi, I'm a lobster. Hi, lobster. This is a cuttlefish. Kind of look like squids. Swim, swim, cuttlefish. And here comes a whale shark. They're really big. Hey, whale shark. I see a submarine with a little propeller. Spin, spin. Hey, submarine. Oh, I'm going down deep to explore the ocean. Do you know what this is? Yeah, it's a little dolphin. Hi, dolphin. Oh, and a sea turtle. Swim, swim, sea turtle. Swim, swim. Whoa. And what about these colorful fish? Let's see if we can fish them out. I've got my fishing rod. Oh, wow. Let's look. We got a purple fish with the number 1. Let's get another one. Oh, it's tough. It's hard. But we can do hard things. Oh, look. We got a blue fish with the number 2. Glub, 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 glub. Let's try for another one. Oh, wow. I got a green fish with the number 3. Glub, 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 glub. And another one. Another blue fish with the number 4. Glub, 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 glub. And, oh, wow. Look at this. We got a red fish with a number 5. Glub, 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 glub. Oh, wow. Do you see this? We found a puzzle piece, and this one is of a ship. Swim, swim, ship. Swim, swim. And here comes our last piece. It's a ship. A ship floats on water and travels across the sea. Let's find your spot, ship. Here it is. Oh, wow, we found all the pieces. Thank you, friend. Wow, we did it. We found all of the pieces to our puzzle. Thank you so much for helping me. We learned so many different vehicles. It was so much fun. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I love spending time with you, and I'm really proud of you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you're looking for more of our videos, make sure to search for Paisley's Corner with Silly Miss Lily and Cotton Socks. And we'll see you then. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye-bye.